your nib's too slow and your ink won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to help you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Mail call. Welcome back, my good friends. Ink it up, grab some paper, get some writing done, grab a cup of coffee, tea, Kool-Aid, cold brew, mixed drink, whatever your thing is, and come join me with mail call. Okay? So let's see what I got here in the mail. Big box. I kind of know what's in it. Kinda. Not really sure yet. And of course I'll do a full review on this because there's going to be a lot to talk about. So here we go. Alrighty. Have no fear, I'll rip this box to shreds. Here we go. Alright. Okay, he's alright. Now we have here a box. Not just a box, but the box. But so far, I have not said where this box is from. Hang with me and I'll tell you in a minute. Now let me look at this first. Paper clip, which I can use, and I do use them. And from Birmingham pens. And let's see what's in here. And that's how they come, nice, packed, secure, so your inks won't be all over the place. So they do a great job on that, right? And Birmingham pens has some amazing ink, right? Are you with me, right? They do have some amazing ink that they make in-house, right? So that's amazing too. Now let's get these little jewels out. I like how they cover them with this kind of material. Look at this, Mr. Announcer. Wow. What do you think that is?
Well, it's a kind of paper.
Yeah,
it's interesting texture.
Yeah, it's cool looking paper. So let's go ahead and open one up. And I'll let Mr. Announcer do the honors after I open the box up. I love the box that they come in now. I think they're really attractive boxes. They perk up that ink that's inside these boxes. Birmingham has stepped their game up, and they just really, looks really nice what they've done. Alright, while you do that, I'll get the other one ready.
This one is called Allegheny Observatory Celestial Blue.
Ooh, interesting inks. And there's a reason why all this is going to be happening. Just feel that. That is really neat. I've never seen that type of material before. And I'll just show you this one real quick.
This one is interesting. Winter Garden Snowflake.
Winter Garden Snowflake.
I wonder what color that would be.
Let's see. It looks bluish in the glass. I don't know. You know, when I hear snowflake, snow, white, but winter garden, what would a winter garden look like, you think? Well, covered with snow, the leaves turn different colors. Well, you know, we'll know soon enough when I do a review on these inks. Now, we don't want to stop here, okay? This is the beginning. Only the beginning of Birmingham. You know, If you decide to order from Birmingham Pens, a pen or ink, whatever they have, tell them you heard about them from Larry's Fountain Pens. Now, you don't get a discount or nothing. They just let them know that I'm doing my job and I'm working hard to promote their products because they are worthy to promote. At least that's my opinion. Yeah, they do a great job. They have some great fountain pens as well. So, wow. Wow. Birmingham Pens, listen to that. Huh. You hear that, Mr. Nelson?
Mm-hmm.
Hear that liquid? I'm liquefied. Okay, Josh, the products have arrived. Thank you, Josh. Thank you, Josh. Thank you, Birmingham Pens, for being there for me. All right. You know, Birmingham Pens is a family-owned business. And they have been working hard to make a go of this business, and they're doing a good job. And it's a special thank you to all you people out there that's been buying their products, either by watching my channel or somebody else's channel. It doesn't matter whose channel you watch, as long as you're okay and feel comfortable and say, you know what? That's a worthy ink. That's a worthy pen. I need to buy one. All right. And here you see another box. And it doesn't have comic books in it. Sorry, Mr. Announcer.
All right.
All right. Paperclip. And let me look at the note, if you don't mind. And it says box number 2. This is box 2 of 2. There were 2 boxes. So, look at all this.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Okay. I reached out to Josh and Nick from Birmingham, and I was asking about trying some of their new inks. And why? Because viewers out there were sending me emails asking me about Birmingham. Some were on inks and some were on their fountain pens. When are they going to come out with their new fountain pens? They were telling me their story about their journey with Birmingham pens, how they do love their fountain pens. They're beautiful, they write great, and they're very affordable. And they were very thankful that Birmingham pens are here because it meets their needs. And then I had other emails from Birmingham pens telling me they love Birmingham pen inks. So they love their inks. And they were asking questions. Well, where did they have them made? Are they made in Germany, Australia? All kinds of questions. No, they're made in-house by Birmingham pens. So here we go. I'll unwrap this. Wow, these are big bottles too. Wow, I love this paper that they're using, whatever it's called. It is really awesome and interesting. Just the feel of it. And again, this beautiful box. And I'll let Mr. Announcer read the outside of that box.
Established in the Iron City, the Birmingham Pen Company, Pittsburgh.
All right. And then you can set that down and I'll give you another one.
Southside Market, Boysenberry.
Boysenberry. Sounds like Harry Potter. Boysenberry. Wow. All right.
Highland Park Zoo, Polar Bear. I'm going to assume that these are all place names from Pittsburgh.
You think? Okay. Oh, well, another.
Homestead Steelworks Slag Gray. West Homestead Independence Gray.
Well, we're getting down to it, kind of. Maybe not.
A cat named Sam.
Oh, that's
Pop Art Purple.
that is going to be awesome. I love the name on that one. Hello, kitty cat.
This one is America's, well, that's spelled differently, so I'm not entirely sure about America's Oyster Bar Salmon Hors d'oeuvre.
Hors d'oeuvres, anybody? Interesting name. Oh, look at that one. Okay.
And this one is Raymer and Brothers Confectionery Saltwater Taffy.
And you like taffy, don't you?
Saltwater taffy, yes.
La la la. Well, Josh, I can't thank you enough. And my viewers will appreciate this because this is the reason why these inks are here.
And we have Pittsburgh Reduction Company Aluminum Oxide.
Interesting names for sure. Okay.
This one's just entitled Ice Rink.
And last but not least,
Oh, War of Currents Alternator Crimson.
wow, that sounds bad.
Some very intriguing names.
Whoa, yes. Okay, folks, let me kind of get all this stuff in order. It does me no good to get this table organized because it's all junkified as soon as I get done. Right? Right. So, wow, what a mess. Y'all want to see the desk? Yep. And this was cleaned off about 5 hours ago. Okay. All right, well, work never stops. So anyway, I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 bottles. I'm sure I'm right. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 bottles. Okay. So, what has happened was a lot of my viewers have been interested in Birmingham inks. Some already have bought Birmingham inks and they really love their inks. And they were wondering, do they have any new inks? So I looked and I reached out and got with Nick or Josh, one of the two, and told him what's going on. So he sent me some. And really, I was just expecting a couple of bottles. And voila, here they are. So I will be doing a big review on these inks. So I can share this with you all. Get a right bottle in there. And I also, when I was looking on Birmingham pens, they have a brand new line of inks they just made in-house. So that's very interesting. Looks like Birmingham is really on the job. They're into what they do. That's their passion. That's their heart. That's their love. And they want you, the customer, to be happy with their work. And really, guys, out there, these guys put their heart in it. They really do. They really care about what they put out, because that represents them. And if I was in their shoes too, I would put out quality, not quantity, and that's what they do. And people are really picking up on this, and it's fixing to really get awesome for them, God willing. I will be doing, like I said, a review on this, and I will be talking a little history about Birmingham pens. Give you a rundown on them, on new pens. I believe they could be working on some. I know they're working on one new one that's going to be with the clip. That's going to be happening. I don't know if it's going to happen this year or sometime next year, but they are working on that. So that's going to be awesome. Really awesome. Now, remember, with that said, there is going to be an upgrade charge for the clip. More work involved. More time, labor, money. So you'll still be able to get, pens without clips, but then you'll have an option to have, with clips. Then you have all these beautiful inks that Birmingham has done and just came out with a new batch, and I'm sure they're going to be working on a lot more inks. They're keeping that flow going. So, Birmingham Inks, thank you for your support. I really, really thank you for this. And to the ink guy, what do you think, ink guy? I'll send you some samples as well. And I will be doing some giveaways as well too. So, if y'all don't mind open bottles, I like to share the love, and I'll let you know when I'll be doing some giveaways. All right, Birmingham Pen Company. Thank you. Folks, that's it for today's Pen Mail. I hope you rock and roll with me through this video and hanged all the way through. So, peace and love. Wash them hands. Follow the rules. And let's keep as safe as we can. And as always, don't text and drive. Bye-bye.